training drill is side plank twist. It's a difficult one, so it's for the more advanced practitioners. We got some progressions to build up. Here we go. First one is just plain side plank mounts. Once you put the hand down, bring the inside foot to the line and come into come into side plank. Then come down. Do that 5 times on each side. Starting with the leg closest to the line, the bottom leg, and then mounting with the top leg, coming to a stack. Again, both sides, keep the body even. Boom, you get the idea. Okay, that's progression 1, just working on our side plank. Now progression 2 is adding some leg movement with the top leg. So you're gonna come in, find your stack, and then you're gonna take this top leg, bring it over, turn your foot down to get it over the slack line touch, and then bring it back out. Come down. Do that 5 times on each side. Here's what it looks like on the other side. I mount regular. I'm gonna bend the knee, turn the toe down, get the foot over, and then bring it back. Progression 2. Have fun with that one. And then we're going to build up to the most difficult side plank twist. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the ground first. I'm in my side plank. I do progression 2, get the foot turned and over, and then I'm going to push this top leg into the slack line as I grab the line with the other hand and twist. One more time on the ground. Side plank. Bend the knee, turn the foot, push down into the line. This part here is a fast transition. Grab, let go, stabilize. Here's what it looks like on the line. Stack, and get the foot turned. I'm going to push into the slack line. Here's the quick transition. I can use the top foot to stabilize if necessary. You can see that there. Try to do it one more time on the other side and show you what that looks like. Bend the leg, turn, push the foot into the line, bring this hand quickly, let go with the other hand. Stack. There you go, side plank twist. Send us your videos if you want to see it. Till next time, keep training.